Good morning, dear students. Even today, we will continue with the topic active and passive voice. In our last video explanation, you have learned what is an active and passive voice. You have also learned what is active and passive voice, what is the structure of active and passive voice, and also when to use the active and passive voice. Now, the structure of the active voice is the doer plus the action plus the receiver. And in passive voice, the structure of the passive voice is the receiver of the action, that is the object, plus the action plus by plus the doer, that is the subject, right? And again, we have also seen some rules which we should keep in mind when we change from active to passive form. So these are the rules which we have learned. Okay, so let us continue from here. How to convert an active voice into passive voice. Now students, there are 5 steps, okay, which you need to follow when you convert an active voice to passive voice. And let us see those steps one by one. Identify the subject. Now first of all, you have to identify the subject, okay, the object. So by subject means the doer of the action, object means the receiver of the action, and the action, that is the main verb in any sentence. In any sentence, first of all, you have to identify these 3 things. Step 2, swap. Subject with the object and object with the subject. Here, swap means you will have to change the subject with the object, and object should be changed with the subject. Okay, the placement, the place, the position of the subject and the object. Are you getting me? Yes. Number 3, convert the main verb in the third form of the verb. Now this one also we have seen in active voice, the main verb will be, when we convert from active to passive, the main verb will also be converted to the third form of the verb, that is the past participle. Number 4, add a proper helping verb of to be before the main verb. See, for example, as you can see here. Can you see this example? Active voice, the water fills the tub. Now when I convert this to passive voice, it becomes the tub is filled with water. Now here see, the tub is the helping verb, right? We know that helping verbs is, am and are, okay? Is, am, are, was, were. We've already learned this. These are called primary auxiliary verb, and this is helping verb. So number 4, here we have to add a proper helping verb, that is to be, the form of to be, is, am and are, okay, before the main verb. And the 5th steps to remember is add a preposition, that is by, before the subject. At the end, the basic sentence, okay, from active to passive, the basic sentence structure of the passive voice will be object plus verb 3 plus by plus subject. As you can see in this example, the water is filled with tub. Now here in the active voice, the tub is the object. Now if I convert this to passive voice, the tub will come first, object plus helping verb, that is filled is a verb with water. Now the subject in the passive the subject in the active voice goes to the place where the object is. Okay, so object plus verb plus preposition. Like I told you, every time we cannot use the preposition by. Sometimes we have to use with also, right? So object plus verb 3 plus preposition plus the subject. I hope this is clear. Okay.